Here's a quick video on renewing your HMAUS membership. I'm here on the HMAUS website, hmaus.org, and you could see here in the menu, if this is your first time becoming a member, you can go ahead and click on Become a Member and then fill out the form there. If you are renewing, there's a couple of steps to take. So click on this link for membership renewal. Okay, the first thing you need to do is log in. So every current member has a login. Now, some of us don't remember our login or our password. I think our logins might have been created by Eugene. So if you have forgotten your password or you never knew it, you can go ahead and click here and you can fill in your email and then answer this simple math question, which verifies that you're a human, and then click Request Password Reset. When you do that, you get an email. I'm here in my email program. You'll get an email that says password reset. And all you need to do is click here on this link. And now I can enter a new password, confirm that password, and then click Update Password. Okay, so now I need to log in. So click here to log in. It'll open a new window. And I'm going to log in with my username and password. So I'll type in my username or my email, probably easiest to use your email. Type in the password you just set and click Login. Okay, when you log in, you may come here to this account page or some other page on the website. It really doesn't matter where you go, but in the menu again, we're going to click back on Membership Renewal. And now I'm on the second step, right? So go to the Renew Your Membership page. Okay, on this page, it gives you some information about the membership. The cost is here. That's the current cost as of this recording. And you can see that because I'm an existing member, most of these fields should be filled in for me. Make sure that you fill in every field that has the asterisk next to it. Okay, it looks pretty good. Okay, and now I can select my payment method. So you can pay with either credit card or with PayPal. Okay, so go ahead and fill in this information. You'll need to click this checkbox to accept the privacy policy. And then once that's all done, you click sign up. Now, memberships on HMAUS are now auto-renewing. So I think about 7 days before your membership renews, you'll get an email saying, hey, your membership is coming up for renewal in 7 days. If you want to cancel, go back to the website and cancel. If not, your membership will renew. Okay, and that is pretty much it. That's how you renew your membership. Very convenient for you to do this all by credit card or by PayPal. And it's always kept up to date because the system will renew memberships every year.